Hi, welcome back. Someone had asked me whether or not you need different electrode for welding each of the different metals of gold filled, sterling silver, and solid gold, as suggested by Sunstone, the makers of the Orion Micro Welder. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate for you what happens if you weld with the same amount of power for all three metals in 24 gauge as well as in 22, and whether or not only do you need power difference, or can it be all the same. I hope you find this video useful. For my demonstration, I have three different metals. This is gold filled, 14 karat gold filled. This is sterling silver, and this is solid gold. First, I'm going to start with the gold filled and weld it at 7.5 watts. I have a clean electrode. I'm going to do this. Okay, now, there you go. And should always, as I say, check to make sure that you've done it solidly by doing this, twisting it, and see if it snaps open. So that one is solid, and I knew that. And that's 7.5 watts. You can try 5, but I find that 7.5 is good for the Orion Micro Welder. And this is 24 gauge. Now, okay, so this is sterling silver. Make sure that I can focus. Okay. Okay. So there you go. That has worked. And we do have to clean it a little bit. And okay, this is solid 14 karat gold. I can't see it very well. Okay. See if you can. This is at 7.5 watts. Okay. I'm going to take a photo of it so that you can see. That's a close-up. I hope you found that video useful. Please feel free to comment below from your own experience whether or not you switch electrodes and do you use different power for different metals. Thank you very much for supporting me. I'm a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings, and I'm going to put a link below as well as a link to the Orion Micro Welder that I've used in this video.